My name is Ariane Cerna. This is my week 8 lab. So in this video, I will go ahead and pick 3 components of the female reproductive system, and I will explain their purpose while also explaining their functions. So right here, as you can see, I have the uterus, the ovaries, and then both of the fallopian tubes as well highlighted. So these are the 3 that I chose for this week, and we'll go ahead and go over them. So first we'll talk about the ovaries, which are right here, and then one on the other side as well. So this little guy right here. So the ovaries are the ovum-producing organ of the internal female reproductive system. The ovaries are endocrine organs and produce hormones that act during the female menstrual cycle and pregnancy. So they secrete estrogen and proestrogen, and they usually take turns releasing an egg every month. However, if an ovary is absent or if one becomes dysfunctional, then the other ovary will release the eggs every month. So again, one right here and one right here. Next we'll go ahead and talk about the uterus, which is right here. So the uterus is actually the largest and major organ of the female reproductive tract. That is the site of fetal growth and is hormonally responsive. So the uterus is essential in sexual response by directing blood flow to the pelvis and the external genitalia. So that includes the ovaries, the vagina, the labia, and the clitoris. So the reproductive function of the uterus is to accept a fertilized ovum, which passes through the uteral tubule junction from the fallopian tube. So again, this right here, uterus, and then as we talked about, the ovaries are right here. The fallopian tubes connect both of these, so one fallopian tube and the other fallopian tube. So the fallopian tubes, or the oviducts, connect the ovaries to the uterus. The fallopian tubes allows passage of the egg from the ovary to the uterus. The lining of the fallopian tubes are ciliated, and interspread between the ciliated cells are PEG cells, which contain apical granules and produce the tubular fluid that contains nutrients for spermatozoa, oocytes, and zygotes. So again, we'll go ahead and just zoom in here. This is one fallopian tube, so ovary connects to the fallopian tube, goes into the uterus, and same on the other side, ovary, fallopian tube, uterus.